Okay, we're going to have x times this y plus 2. And I'm going to set it equal to the other cross product, which is, well, my y minus 3 times 1 is just y minus 3. Okay, then on the left side, we're going to distribute x. So this is going to give me xy. X times 2 is going to give me plus 2x. And then equals y minus 3. All right. Now here's the key for this. Since I have two terms that have a y in it, I want to get all the y terms on one side, and everything else I want to move to the other side. So I'm going to bring this y over by subtracting it. So let's put this in a different color. I'm going to subtract this y and subtract y here. So I'm going to have xy minus y. Now this 2x, I want to get rid of this, and I want to move it to this side. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Okay, and subtract 2x there. So I'm going to have xy minus y equals negative 3 minus 2x. Okay. All right, now here's the key part. Since I have all y's by itself, on the left side I can factor out a y. So if I factor out a y, then I'm going to get x minus 1. And just like that, we go from one term that has a y, or we go from two terms that have y's in it to just one. And then this equals this negative 3 minus 2x. And then to get this y by itself, we're just going to divide both sides by x minus 1. That cancels. Divide this by x minus 1. And then that right side, that's our answer right there. So this, the negative 3 minus 2x over x minus 1, this is the equation for the inverse function. All right? So just wanted to show you that last one where you have a couple y terms. You just want to get all the y's together and factor out a y, and that'll help you get the inverse function.